Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 12th episode to create an education website using Jar Foundation. In the previous episode, we worked on the gallery page, and today we'll work on this FAQ page. First of all, open your text editor, go to Pages, and create a new file called FAQ.html. You can then open partials, footer.html and header.html. You can add a URL called FAQ.html. You can add the same URL in this footer.html. Once done, you can check your site, click on FAQ, and your FAQ page should be ready to use. Then for this breadcrumb, you can open any one of the pages. I will open about.html. I will copy this breadcrumb and paste it in my FAQ.html. Then here I will change the text into FAQ. Once done, you can check the site and your breadcrumb is ready. Before working on this accordion, let's add this title, frequently asked question. So after this breadcrumb div, you can create a new div with a class called block. Then for title, you can create another div with a class called row and columns. You can add your s2 tag and paste your title. Since this is title, I want to add a class called title. You can then check your site and your title is ready. Now let's add this accordion. So open your Foundation website, go to Docs and click on Site Docs. Go to Container and Accordion. Then you can scroll down and copy this HTML tag and paste it just after this title div. But before that, I will create another div with a class called row and columns. Let me remove all of this comment. And add the content from the site. So this is my accordion title, and I can copy the accordion content. I don't need this anchor tag, so I will remove it. And for content, I will keep it inside this p tag. Once done, you can check your site and you should see accordion over here. Likewise, you can add other accordion items, and for that all you have to do is you have to copy this li, then you have to remove this isActive class and change this accordion title and content. For now, I will paste all of this accordion item and then check the preview. Our accordion is looking fine now, but the only problem is it is not opening all the accordion items, just like in our design. So to keep it all open when we click them, all we have to do is we have to add this data multi-expand equals true. So let's copy them and add them. You can now check your site, click on other items, and everything is now expanding. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on this contact page using the forms component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.